Hi, this is Pankaj from Kreativo Pro. So today I was reading a Reddit thread and I came across this story. This person is a fashion designer. He has took some time, got awards, and set up his website. He has built his portfolio, collection, story, photos. He has poured years into his website, and he has built his name, a brand. Okay, then his grandmother passed away. He forgot to renew his hosting, and they wiped it out. He does not have his data. He did not have any backup recovery or any plan in place. He is devastated now. He has lost his digital piece of history, progress, identity, and now he is rebuilding it from ground up. Other website designers are asking him big amounts of money to build his website, so he is doing it all himself. He has to invest in fabric production, etc. So he feels frustrated and all. I can see. So long story short, he is a Canadian Gucci scholar. He has lost entire WordPress website after missing hosting payment by 1 week. Imagine, just 1 week. Okay, and he has been a loyal customer for 5-7 years, but he did not have any backup plan in place, and now he is rebuilding everything. Okay, so this is not new. If you come to our website, you will see this story here, Ping the Map project. Similar story happened to one of our customers in 2018. Okay, so you can read the story. Basically, Bluehost messed up the website. Okay, there were database server issues all over the place, and they were blaming website and all. She sent a request to Bluehost that upgrade my hosting from shared to VPS. They did upgrade the website, but in the process website was messed up. Okay, she was getting database server issues all over the place. Every 4-5 hours the website would crash. She hired us. You can see my name here. Okay, and we checked the website. We found out that Bluehost is doing this, and we asked her that make this call, either change hosting or website will die. She took our advice, turned to Dreamhost, and we made sure that her website is online. You can read this here, God sent web developer. Okay, so this can happen to anyone. Okay, what should be your plan based on your website? You can get a free help session here. Okay, we will tell you what you can do, but based on your website, at least you should have a backup in place. Every Sunday you should take one backup of your website. Okay, there are many free tools that will help you out here. Okay, so this is my advice. A lot of things can be done. Basic backup should be in place. Okay, otherwise one day you can lose your website, and running a business is already hard. So don't be that person who will lose his website one day. Have a backup plan in place, and if you have lost your website, contact us here. Okay, we will help you out for free. This is a free 30-minute help session. Okay, so if you have lost your website, what can you do? Go to waybackmachine.org. Okay, add your website address. They will check their database and find out when they took snapshots of your website. Open your pages. You will find most of your pages there. Then you have two options. Okay, one, you can use a tool and export your website as it is from there, or you can hire a web developer and build a similar website. So this is how you handle such situations. If you got value from this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you in my next video.